Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to ask Gemini to create poems. So guys, for that go to your Gemini, then write here, hello Gemini, give me some poems, and send it. Then you have to select any of them, that what kind of poems you want. So you have to send them your choices, like a romantic one. Okay, and then they will provide, or they will create for you your poems, and that's how you can create poems on Gemini very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.